you looking straight ahead.
Wait, looking straight to you?
Straight ahead.
Okay. Yeah, it's the only thing that hurts is right underneath my eye.
Turn that way for me so I can get the other side just for comparison.
You're fine.
And then I'm just going to take like an overall picture of you just standing there.
Sorry, I'm crying. I wish I wasn't being a whiny baby.
And then you mind turning this further side for me? I can see where your sweater's all wet and everything.
Wait, is that good?
That's fine.
Okay.
Do you have any bruises or anything on your hands for more you like hit her back or anything?
No.
You mind just holding your hands out for me?
Yeah, it's fine. I can't even believe this is even happening.
Is she still here?
Yeah.
Do you know?
I mean, I really honestly don't know because I called the police as soon as she took me to the ground and everything because I feel bad for it because I know she has babies, but you're not gonna hit me.
That's neither here nor there. Like I said, start on that for me.
But
what was she wearing? Do you know?
I
do you remember?
like I think it like a zip up jacket of some sort.
And what's her name?
Brittany Dubowsky. And I asked her several times, please do not. I asked her several. I hope. I asked her several times, please do not put your hands on me. And I had 911 on the phone. I showed her. I was like, if you put your hands on me, I don't want to do this. Like I really don't. And she when she saw that I had 911 on the phone, she threw my phone. And I was trying really hard to avoid escalation.
But it initially happened inside.
Only
like that's when she like came and put
she
her arm
came
around
in
you.
and grabbed me. Yeah, it took me out.
Okay.
Inside. Yeah.
All right, just start that for me.
Okay.
And I'll be right back.
While you're talking to her.
No, I appreciate it. What's your name?
Brittany.
Brittany what?
Dubowsky.
Can you spell it for me?
D-U-B.
D-U-B.
O-W.
Yep.
S-K-Y.
Do you have a middle initial, Brittany?
N.
And what's your date of birth?
95.
So what happened?
Well, she been married. I have 3 kids, and she was trying to sleep with my husband. So that's one issue already in itself.
Okay.
And she was told not to come back to this bar from the owner itself. Like, that's where this even started, was this bar. Like,
did they trespass her?
No, it was more of like, I mean, here you're just like, you don't come back. Like, you're not allowed to come back. I mean, the owner's like, don't come back. You try. My husband's parents are the owner's neighbors, so they're like family friends. And she has not been back since, and it's been months. And then she came here last Friday. She was asked to leave, and then she left, and then she came back tonight.
Who asked her to leave on Friday?
I don't know. I wasn't here.
Okay.
And then I was here tonight, so I personally asked her to leave. She wouldn't leave, and I just said, like, you need to leave. And she just kept saying, she's so drunk, she just kept saying, I'm in nursing school, I have a 15-year-old. She does not have a 15-year-old. That's her ex-boyfriend's daughter. Like, they're not even together and haven't even been together. Like, you don't have a child. I have 3 children. Okay. Kept asking her to leave, She kept saying, don't touch me. I'm not touching you. Like, you need to leave. Like, she's going like this to me. And I'm like, literally open-handed. Like, I'm like, you just need to leave. Like, you need to leave. And then she freaking hit me. Literally openly hit me.
Where'd she hit you at?
So right here. I don't know if there's like anything there. So
Can you like lift your lip up a little bit?
I'm sorry. My hands are gross.
You're okay. Alright.
So she hit me there, and then, so obviously I hit her back. I'm not gonna lie, I did. I hit her back in the face at that point. Like, I hit her back. I don't know, it was like so fast. Like,
what hand you hit her with? Do you know?
My right hand, for sure, and then my left hand, for sure. And then I felt my sister pulling us apart. My sister, she hit me here, too. I have a lump. I know I have a lump, because I feel that right here.
This was literally months ago. I haven't even came here since then. And I came here today. I have came here since I came here like the other week or whatever for like 25 minutes, not long. But if the owner of the bar or somebody would have told me to leave, I would have never been like, no, I'm gonna stay.
I don't know if you can see it, but you can feel it if you want to feel my head, because it's definitely.
Where did all this happen at when you guys started actually swinging at each other?
All the way over there, like by the truck.
Okay.
Actually, I was walking away when it even started, is when she hit me. So she hit me there. My sister was pulling us apart. Then she kicked my sister in the face.
Where's your sister at?
Over there somewhere. She's right there, drinking the Red Bull. She has a mark on her face, dirt and all from the foot. Like, and then she got up. I'm like, can you just leave? Like, can you literally just 5 people. Her friend is inside. Her friend even asked her to leave 3 times. Why are you still here? If they just want you to leave, like you're not doing anything better.
So why did you continue to walk her out to the back?
Because she was trying to explain her situation to me about why, that she wasn't trying to sleep with my husband. Yes, she was. I pulled all the text messages. Like, I pulled our whole phone records. Like, yes, that's been proven. But I'm past that. Like, we're in therapy. Like, we're past that. Like, well, me and my husband are. Not, like, obviously me and her, because I have not talked to her or seen her since then. So, yeah, me seeing her here tonight, I don't want you here. Like, my family works here. Like, this is, like, my little, I don't go out much, but when I do, like, this is where I go.
So you guys walked out to the back, and then what happened?
We talked. Like, I was like, why are you here, for one? And I'm just here. I'm drinking. My boyfriend broke up with me. Like, not even the 15-year-old sad, different boyfriend.
Okay.
She was like, I didn't sleep with your husband, I swear, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, I don't care. Like, you just need to leave. Like, that's all I kept trying to tell her. You just need to leave. You know you're not supposed to be here. I'm like, you know you're not supposed to be here. Like, can you please just, like, leave? And it was more, I felt like I was literally talking to my 5-year-old. Like, it was just repetitive. Like, she was just like, I didn't sleep with your husband, I swear to you. I'm not even saying that. Like, can you just leave? Like, so, I don't know. I mean, it's girl shit. I know it is, and it's high school shit, but...
Alright, so you said she hit you, slapped you in the lip or whatever?
Yeah, she full on, hit me right there. Like, and definitely here. Like I said, if you want to feel my head, you can feel the lumps. Like, I promise you.
Just look straight from me without, like, pulling your hair back or anything?
Like, because I definitely feel it. I don't know if it was like a fist or a kick or what, but...
Do you want to pursue any charges?
No, I just wanted her to leave. That was all I want. I didn't even want to fight her, or I would have came in fighting her.
Brittany, do you want to fill out a statement or anything?
No.
You don't want to fill out a statement? Okay.
I mean, unless I have to, but...
It's entirely up to you. For documentation purposes, I got to take photos of your injuries in case later you decide, like, hey, I do want to pursue any charges. Just, can you scoot back a little bit underneath the light? There we go. Just look straight forward for me. You want to turn it? Just stay right there. And I'm going to get a picture of your lip right there. And then, do you mind holding your hands out for me just so I can see your hands? Can you pull your sleeves up for me? No, you're okay.
Worst part, I'm sober for all this. I've had 1 beer. And then you guys got here and they told me to put my beer down. That's my kid's name, sorry.
Yeah, can you like kind of make a fist? Pull your hands over. Alright. Any other...
Dirty. I'm definitely dirty. I mean, it was all muddy over there.
Too.
Like, yeah.
Stay right where you're at so I can get pictures of how your pants and everything are.
Feel weird.
Anything on your back? Because I know her back's all like wet and nothing.
No, and like I said, it happened so fast. My sister literally was right there and like separated it as soon as it even happened.
Your sister got kicked in the face, you said?
Yeah, she definitely got kicked in the face by her. And that was after I wasn't even there. Like, my sister was trying to help her up and she kicked her in the face and then, or whatever. She was like, I was trying to help you. That's
you don't want to pursue any charges? You don't want to provide a statement or anything? You can go, Brittany.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, let me get your name real quick. You weren't involved at all?
I mean, I pulled my sister off of her.
Okay.
Got kicked in the face in the process.
So what's your name?
Kaylan Stocks.
Can you spell it for me?
Kaylan.
And your last name?
Stocks, Stocks.
Middle initials?
And
date of birth?
2001.
So can you explain to me what happened?
So, like, what led up to this, or just what happened tonight?
Just what happened tonight. How'd you end up getting kicked in the face?
Well, my sister and her started going back and forth.
Okay.
And once I seen it getting out of hand, I immediately, went to go grab my sister. The Stormy kept kicking, which is obviously they're in the middle of a fight. I knew if I stepped in, I was going to get hit by one of them. So I'm not saying like.
So it wasn't like intentional, like.
No, like she like hit me in the face on accident.
Kick her in the face.
It wasn't like an intentional thing, but they were going at it on the ground. My friend Coley grabbed her up, and when she was grabbing her up, I was trying to grab Stormy up and underneath her, and she kicked me in the face. But it's not like it was I'm gonna kick you in the face.
Did you lose consciousness or anything like that, or was it just kind of like a graze?
I was angry, so I didn't really even feel it at the time. I can feel a little bit of swelling now, but it's not like a big.
And this was all happening over there in the backside of like the parking lot and stuff. Okay. Do you want to pursue any charges for her kicking you in the face?
I mean, I like want to because she's a piece of shit as a person, but no, because I have a nice job and I don't want to be involved in
Do
that.
you want to write a statement or anything like that?
No, I am a healthcare worker and I don't want to be involved in this in any way.
Okay.
I'm just here to
Do you mind if I take a look at where she kicked you at allegedly?
Yeah, I already wiped it all off and it was like right in here.
Yeah, just keep it straight for me just so I can... Any marks on your hands or anything?
No, just some messed up shoes.
Okay. Nothing on, like, because I know she had mud and stuff on her back.
No,
or
I never
anything.
went on the ground. I was just literally right at the end, just breaking it up.
Okay. All right. I appreciate it, Miss Kaylan.
Yep.
Oh, what's a good phone number for you? Sorry.
36.
Yep.
569.
Do you happen to know your sister's phone number?
Yeah.
What is-
36.
6228. All right.
Do you need anything else from me?
No, ma'am. That is it.
Brittany Dubowsky didn't get arrested that night. It took nearly a month before officers came for her. She was finally charged with simple battery under Florida statute 784.03.1.b. Officers determined she was the primary aggressor. Justice was slow, but it did come. Subscribe for more real body cam footage like this. Watch the video playing right here in the center right now and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Axie and Cam and hit the notification bell.